Alrighty, in this video, let me just show you around the Millikan application here. Okay, so if you look at the screen here, you will notice that there is a whole bunch of keys here that are useful. So this is your friend. It tells you exactly how the thing works right there. So this is changing the voltages. This is, you can change it by typing numbers. You can type it by the function keys, right? S will, oops, I covered up the S. S will switch polarity. Hopefully you don't have to use that. D disconnects, M marks the voltage, R returns to a marked voltage, right? And then these are some other commands, right? I wouldn't zoom in or zoom out. I would keep it at 77.5 micrometers per division, and then we can't change that really. So new drop, zap, and timer, we'll use those all the time. Notice that these are the electrical plates there, okay? Now let me just show you some things here, right? So let's click on this, and now I'm going to type some things. So if I type a new drop, we get a new drop like that, and I can change the voltage, right? So 100, 200, 300, 400. I'm typing the number keys here, right? And then notice this direction thing right here, okay? This is your friend. This tells you which way the drop is going, okay? If you look at that, you can see that here the drop is going down, right? And so I can change the voltages here until, notice now it's going up, right? So now I hit the space bar and it goes to fine, and I can get that. So here's 258 volts. That's a suspension voltage, right? Okay. And then I'm going to type an M. Okay, I'm going to type M to mark the voltage. So M. Okay, now watch this. I can move it to the top of the screen. I type a, whoops, got to go into the application. Okay, so M, I type M to mark it, right? And then I've typed 900 volts, brings it to the top, right? Now watch. I can type R and it will go back to that voltage and immediately stop. Okay, so that was R, right? So M, and then you can then type, you know, a 9 or some high voltage, right, to make it 900 volts. It brings it, it'll go up to the top of the screen. Then I type R, it returns, right, to the voltage that I marked, and that's how you move the thing around, okay? If I type D, whoops, yeah, gotta click on the window. If I type D, it disconnects at the drop falls, right? So D is disconnect, right? And then I can hit T for the timer. Oh yeah, yeah. Gotta click on that, type T for a timer. Oops, keep missing the, there we go. And then this timer is going to run out. I'm going to have to hit R before it runs out. Okay, so those are the basic commands. That's how you sort of move it around the screen.